Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping calmly. Wash your hands and remove strong scents so the snake recognizes you as non-threatening. Approach from the side, not above, and speak softly to reduce startle response. Scoop gently with one hand under the mid-body and support the tail with the other. This distributes weight and prevents kinking. Once done, lift smoothly and keep the snake close to your torso so it feels secure, and move slowly toward your intended holding area to avoid sudden stress. You now focus on support and movement. Keep at least 2 to 3 contact points beneath the snake so it can coil and shift naturally. Use your forearms as gentle platforms and let it explore your hands. Do not restrain its head unless required for safety. Move in slow, deliberate motions and avoid looming overhead, which can trigger defensive behavior. If the snake starts frequent tongue flicking and relaxed posture, continue. If it bawls or hisses repetitively, set it down promptly to prevent escalation. You finish by returning the snake gently. Position its head toward the enclosure entrance and allow it to move involuntarily, supporting until fully inside. Close the enclosure securely and watch for signs of stress for the next 10-15 minutes, such as prolonged hiding, refusal to eat, or rapid breathing. If a bite or severe stress happens, stop handling for about 7 to 10 days and reassess husbandry factors like temperature, humidity, and feeding schedule before trying again to rebuild trust slowly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.